So we're going to have some dust to contend with. So I'm going to spray this quickly outside, take it back inside and bring it back out. So I'll do 3 coats. So we'll be applying our paint just the same as we do when we apply solid colour. Make sure you've got a mask on. Give the can a good shake. I'll be shaking this up for about 30 seconds. And start to apply your paint. So I'm going to start with the sides, top first, just to we can cover any overspray that way when we do the back or the front. And I'll be working in long passes on the back and the front, just overlapping by about 50% each time. This first coat I'll be putting on fairly light. I'm just about to apply a third, and that'll be my final coat for today. So just between coats, make sure you clean the nozzle out, just so you don't get a build-up and then have a large droplets sort of coming out of the nozzle straight onto the guitar, and then just clear out the nozzle. And we're just going to do things the same way. So same with the sides, then dealing with any overspray from the sides by doing the back and the front, and then I'm going to hang the guitar in a cool sort of dry environment for the next 24 hours. From there, I'll probably scuff the surface up a little bit more using some 800 or 1000 grit paper, and I'll come back and repeat the process the next day. And I'll probably do that over 3 days. So what I'm looking to do is get about 9 coats of clear on this guitar.